Hello, this is Mrs. Dickson. Today we are going to learn to tell the difference between money we owe and money that is income. We're going to do this by reading various types of bills and statements to determine if the transaction is something we owe, like a bill, or if the transaction is income, like money from our nacho sales. Get ready to stretch your brain. We are going to learn new vocabulary and review vocabulary you are already familiar with. During the video, you will be asked to think about questions and answer questions in your homework packet. Before we get started, here are a few reminders. You can pause and rewind the video at any time. When you are asked to think about something, I will give you a few seconds to think about the question. If you want more time, just pause the video. Be sure to have your homework packet and something to write with. You will need to bring the completed packet to class. In this session, we will be covering two standards. We are going to focus on answering questions about receipts, statements, deposits, and withdrawal slips, and learn about other words that mean add and subtract. So what do the standards mean to you? You will be able to identify and sort words that mean add and subtract, make connections between the class nacho business and daily banking tasks, and locate specific information on a receipt. Okay, let's get started and learn about the difference between money we owe and money we earn. Words that mean add and subtract. When we add numbers, the amount gets bigger. When we subtract numbers, the amount gets smaller. Here is an example of adding 22 plus 6 equals 28. We started with 22, added 6, and the total is larger than 22. Here is an example of subtraction. 22 minus 6 equals 16. We started with 22, took away 6, and the answer is 16. 16 is less than 22. There are many words that mean add and subtract. Some words that mean add include plus, addition, withdrawal, deposit, put in, paycheck. Words that mean subtraction, minus, withdrawal, bill, takeout, owe, and pay. Let's see why it's important to know and understand different words that mean to add and subtract. Let's think about our class nacho business. Since this is a business, we have money we earn and money we owe. If we want to make a profit and keep money in our account, we must know if a transaction we are making is being added or subtracted from our class account. When we go to the store and make a purchase using my debit card or cash I have to purchase the supplies, I am giving the nacho business a loan. In other words, this is money the nacho business owes me. Costco gives me a receipt and the business pays me back by giving me a check and withdrawing or subtracting the money from the class account. Now think about Nacho Friday. When we sell the nachos, the money our business receives is income. We deposit or add the money into the class account and receive a deposit slip. Now let's think about daily living. How do we get money? If you thought about working, Social Security, or money from our nacho business, you are correct. Each of these add money to our banking account. Let's review. Does a Costco transaction add or subtract money from your bank account? If you said subtract, you are correct. When someone makes a purchase from the class nacho business, does this add or subtract money from the class bank account? If you said add, you are correct. After the instructions are reviewed, you will be told to pause the video. Activity 1, Vocabulary. Show me what you know. You have 2 envelopes. Each envelope includes everything you need to complete one of the activities. Remember, you only need to complete one activity to bring to class. Listen closely as I read the instructions, then decide if you want to complete the word envelope or make a graphic organizer. Now it's time to show you the difference between option 1 and option 2. Option 1, word envelope. Take out the word envelope from your homework packet. Look at each word and determine if the word means to add or subtract. Put a minus on the words that mean subtract. Put a plus on the words that mean add. When you're finished, put the words back in the envelope and bring your homework packet back to school. Option 2, make a graphic organizer. Take out the graphic organizer envelope from your homework folder. Write your name on the page that has the table on it. Cut out the words that are on the other page. Glue the word addition at the top of column 1 and the word subtraction at the top of column 2. Sort the other words into 2 piles, words that mean add and words that mean subtract. Glue the words that mean add under the word addition and the words that mean subtract under the word subtraction. When you are finished, put the graphic organizer back in the envelope and bring your homework packet back to school. Now it's time to show me what you know. You decide. You can either pick option 1 or option 2. Pause the video and complete the activity. When you are finished, start the video to complete the homework. Excellent! You have finished the activity. Now, let's take a look at different types of receipts. Remember, during this video, you can pause, rewind, or stop the video at any time. Activity 2. Where can I find? Here are the materials that you need. Before we start, take out the worksheet that says Sample Receipts at the top of the page and your colored pencils. If you need a clue, look at the pictures on this slide. You will have 3 pages that say Sample Receipt. At the top of the page, pause the video if you need time to get these items. I'm going to tell you to find specific information on each item and tell you how to show me that you found the information. Be sure to listen carefully. If you did not hear what I said, you can stop the video and rewind. Ready? Let's get started. We're going to do 3 items together, a deposit, withdrawal, and a bill. Are you ready? When I ask you to find the information, point to the answer and wait to see if you are correct. Example 1. When is this check deposited? Point to the date that this deposit was made. If you pointed to January 1, 2018, you are correct. If you did not, then find January 1, 2018 and point to the information. Circle the date using green. Now answer question 1 by writing the date in green. How much is the check? Point to the amount of the check. If you pointed to $750, you are correct. If not, find $750 and point to the information. Circle the amount using your red pencil. Now answer question 2 by writing the amount in red. Who sent the check? Point to the name of the company that sent the check. If you pointed to Social Services Benefits, you are correct. If not, find Social Services Benefits and point to the information. Circle the amount using your blue pencil. Now answer question 3 by writing Social Services Benefits in blue. Example 2. When is the bill due? Point to the date that the bill is made. Point to the date that the bill is due. If you pointed to January 10th, you are correct. If not, find January 10th and point to the information. Circle the date using your green pencil. Now answer question 1 by writing the date in green. How much do you owe? Point to the total due. If you pointed to $119, you are correct. If not, find $119 and point to the information. Circle the amount using your red pencil. Now answer question 2 by writing the amount in red. Question number 3. Who do you write the check to? Point to the name of the company that sent the bill. If you pointed to Central Utilities, you are correct. If not, find Central Utilities and point to the information. Circle the amount. Circle the company name using your blue pencil. Now answer the question by writing the company in blue. Example 3. Is this a deposit or a withdrawal? Point to the word that tells you if this is a withdrawal or a deposit. If you pointed to withdrawal, you are correct. If not, find the word withdrawal and point to the information. Circle the word using your blue pencil. Now answer question 1 by writing the word withdrawal in blue. Number 2. When is the money taken out? Point to the date that the money was taken out. If you pointed to 1/2/2018, you are correct. If not, find 1/2/2018 and point to the information. Circle the date using your green pencil. Now answer question 2 by writing the date in green. Question number 3. How much money is being taken out? Point to the amount of the withdrawal. If you pointed to $80, you are correct. If not, find $80 and point to the information. Circle the amount using your red pencil. Now answer question 3 by writing the amount in red. That does it for this lesson on banking basics, withdrawals, and deposits. In this session, you learned that there are many words that mean add and subtract, how to determine if a transaction is a withdrawal, meaning the money will be subtracted from your banking account, or if the transaction is a deposit, meaning that the money will be added to your bank account, and how to locate specific information on a receipt or billing statement. Remember, bring your homework packet to class and be prepared to talk about one thing you understood and one thing that is still confusing. See you in class. You will be able to practice the skills you learned during this lesson and ask questions to clarify any information you did not understand.